Hello my dear students, I am Dr. T. Pandiraj, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, College of Agriculture Campus, Ajamgarh, Acharya Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology, Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. In this video, we are going to see various chronological history of agrometeorology. So these are some of the important chronological history of agrometeorology. In 350 BC, Aristotle wrote first book Meteorology. That's why he called father of meteorology. Okay, father of meteorology, because he wrote first book meteorology. Okay, and in 1121 Al-Khazini published the book of Balance of Wisdom. Okay, Balance of Wisdom. So it is the first study on hydrostatic balance. In 1441 AD, Prince Munjang invented first standardized rain gauge. Okay, Munjang invented first standardized rain gauge in 1441. In 1450, Leon Battista Alberti developed first swing plate anemometer. Okay, first swing plate anemometer. In 1607, Galileo constructed a thermoscope. Okay, in 1607, Galileo constructed thermoscope. In 1643, Evangelista Torricelli invented the mercury barometer. Okay, the mercury barometer has been invented by Evangelista Torricelli in 1643. Next one is in 1662, Sir Christopher Wren, he invented first mechanical tipping bucket rain gauge. Okay, so Christopher Wren invented mechanical tipping bucket rain gauge, whereas you see Prince Munjang invented first standardized rain gauge. Okay, in 1714, Gabriel Fahrenheit created reliable scale for measuring temperature with mercury type thermometer. Okay, so he is the first person. Okay, Gabriel Fahrenheit, he created that reliable scale for measuring temperature. So what we are seeing nowadays, thermometer, so you could find the series of scale. So that scale first created by Gabriel Fahrenheit for mercury type thermometer. In the year 1875, Indian Meteorological Department was established at Pune. India is fortunate to have several oldest meteorological observatories. The British East India Company established several meteorological observatories in India. For example, Calcutta 1785, in 1785, and in Madras, now it is called Chennai, Madras in 1796, for studying weather and climate of India. So the British East Company established meteorological observatories in Kolkata in the year 1785 and Madras 1796 for studying weather and climate of India. So this IMD was established by Government of India, bringing all the meteorological work in the country under central authority. You see, there was series of natural catastrophic event occurred in India. For example, in Kolkata there was a very severe tropical cyclone in 1874. Tropical cyclone in 1874. Subsequent famine in 1876 and 1871 and 1876. So it was decided to establish IMD by Government of India, where organizing collection and analysis of all the meteorological work under one roof. So in 1875 Government of India established this IMD at Pune. You see, Mr. H.F. Blandford appointed as meteorological reporter to Government of India. Mr. H.F. Blandford appointed as meteorological reporter. To India. Then the first Director of General of IMD was Sir John Elliot. The first DG, the first DG of IMD was Sir John Elliot. Sir John Elliot. So he was the first Director General of IMD, appointed in 1889. At Calcutta headquarters. At Calcutta headquarters. Under this IMD, there are 6 regional centers in India, that is Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, Nagpur and Guwahati. So New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur and Guwahati. So there are 6 regional centers under IMD. So for northern zone it is New Delhi. For western zone Mumbai and Kolkata covers east side, East India, and Chennai covers southern India. Nagpur covers central India and Guwahati covers northeast India. Northeast India. So this all about IMD. In the year 1890, United States Weather Bureau established under USDA. USDA means United States Department of Agriculture. So United States Weather Bureau established under United States Department of Agriculture. In the year 1932, so there was separate division established in IMD, that is agricultural meteorology. So a separate division of agrometeorology born in Indian Meteorological Department. In the year 1945, IMD started first time for farmers, that is farmers weather bulletins. Okay, so this farmers weather bulletin was first time started in 1945. In the year 1948, ICAR collaborated with IMD and launched crop weather scheme. Okay, crop weather scheme. Okay, so this question asking repeatedly. Okay, crop weather scheme started in which year? Okay, that is 1948. Okay, so this ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, collaborated with Indian Meteorological Department and launched this crop weather scheme. In the year 1960, the launch of first successful weather satellite is called TRIAS-1. Okay, TRIAS-1 was the first successful weather satellite. It was launched in 1960. In the year 1983, ICAR launched iCRIP on agrometeorology at CREDA. Okay, so in the year 1983, All India Coordinated Research Project. Okay, iCRIP means All India Coordinated Research Project on agrometeorology, which was started at CREDA. Okay, Central Research Institute for Dryland Agriculture, located at Hyderabad. Okay, so in the year 1988, Department of Science and Technology established National Center for Medium Range for Weather Forecasting. Okay, NCMRWF shortly. Okay, so at New Delhi to provide agro advisory services for farming community. Okay, you see in 1988, so who was established? DST. Okay, not IMD, because this is also repeatedly asking question. Okay, so this is expected question every year. So who was established? NCMRWF, that is National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting. So that answer is DST. Okay, Department of Science and Technology. Okay, in the year 1980. The main aim of this weather forecasting is to provide agro advisory services for farming communities. Okay, so mostly so for medium range weather forecast. Okay, for medium range weather forecast consists of 7 to 10 days. Okay, 7 to 10 days weather forecasting. Okay, so there are different weather forecasting: short range weather forecasting, medium range weather forecasting, and long range weather forecasting. Okay, so short range weather forecasting consists of 1 to 3 days, whereas this medium range weather forecasting involves up to 10 days. Okay, that is 3 to 10 days. Okay, so this all about chronological history of agrometeorology. Okay, you see the first headquarters of IMD was at Kolkata. Then later it was shifted to Simla at 1905. Okay, at 1905. Later it shifted to Pune 1928. Now it is shifted to New Delhi. Okay, so it was shifted in 1944. Okay, so first headquarters of IMD was at Kolkata, then it was shifted to Simla at 1905, then it was shifted to Pune in 1928, then now it shifted to New Delhi in 1944. Okay, so this is all about IMD. Then in 1890, USWB established under USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. Okay, so 1932, a division of agrometeorology was established in Indian Meteorological Department. Then in 1945, IMD started Farmers Weather Bulletin, first time. Okay. Then 1948, ICR collaborates with IMD and launched crop weather scheme. In 1960, launch of first successful weather satellite, that is called TRIAS. Okay, TRIOS, TRIAS 1. Then 1983, the ICRIP on agrometeorology launched at Crida, Hyderabad. And 1988, DST established NCMRWF, that is National Centers for Medium Range Weather Forecasting. Okay. So this is all about chronological history of agrometeorology. If you like this video, you please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel for regular video updating. Thank you.